What's up guys, it's Caravella. Welcome back to another workout. Today we're going to be doing a HITT workout together. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us. You're not going to be needing any equipment. I'm actually switching it up. The schedule says today is supposed to be HITT with dumbbells, but we did HITT with dumbbells last weekend. So this weekend we're not going to be doing any dumbbells. It's just going to be HITT body weight. So before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into the workout. Alright guys, starting off with reverse lunge kicks. From a neutral standing position, we're going to reverse lunge back. Make sure your back knee doesn't hit the ground and your front knee doesn't go over your toe. I like to keep my arm out. You don't have to, but when you come up from that lunge, you're going to do a high knee and kick as high as you can. We've got 3 sets of 10. Let's get it, guys. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second rest. Moving into set 2, make sure you're keeping your core engaged and your back nice and flat. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second rest. Alright guys, last set. If you need to, take it slow so you can keep your balance. No breaks here, guys. Let's go ahead and start the other side. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second rest. Go ahead and move into set 2. We've got 2 more sets. That's only 20 reps, guys. We're almost done with this one. Go ahead and take a 10-second rest. All right, this is our last set, last 10, you guys. Get that knee up there, high knees. Great job. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Next up, we have jump squat variation. For this exercise, bring your arms behind your head, jump up, squat down, bring your feet together, and then repeat. We've got 3 sets of 10. Let's get it, guys. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into set 2, make sure you're engaging your core and keeping your back nice and flat. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Guys, this is our last set, last 10. Great job. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Moving into jumping oblique twists, go ahead and bring your arms in front of you, hold them up nice and steady right at your chest. We are going to rotate our feet and twist our upper body from side to side. This is an abs workout as well as a cardio in the same one. We're gonna do 3 sets of 20. Let's get it, guys. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. When you're pivoting your feet, make sure you're moving nice and quickly. We want to get that heart rate pumping. This is our second set, you guys. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Last set, you guys, last 20. Great job. Give yourself a full 10-second break. Next up, we're going to be doing some cross jacks. For this exercise, it's similar to jumping jacks, but not. Instead of just meeting our feet, we're going to crisscross our feet over and under. So right foot first, left foot first, and then you're going to cross your arms as well in front of your body. We're going to do 3 sets of 30. We're trying to get that heart rate pumping, you guys. So let's get it. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. If you need a longer break, pause the video and take a longer break. Moving into set 2, make sure you're breathing and keeping your feet nice and steady. Don't forget to crisscross one in front of the other and then switch. Take a second rest, 10 seconds. If you need more, go ahead. All right, guys, this is our last set, last 30. We got this. Great job. Give yourself a full 10-second break. For our last exercise, we're going to be doing plank in and outs. From here, you're going to put both of your arms out and then both of your feet out, and then bring both of your arms in and bring both of your feet in. Keep your back flat, engage your core. We've got 3 sets. Let's get it, guys. give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. Moving into set 2, make sure you're keeping that back nice and flat. Tuck in your booty, don't arch your back. We're almost there. Go ahead and give yourself your last break. All right, guys, this is our last set, last 20. Stick with it, we're almost done. Hey, you did it. I hope you're nice and sweaty and I hope you're feeling good. Let me know what you think about these exercises in the comments down below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.